Heya, folks! Here I am, Екатерина Пряникова. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to not creation some footage as requires some wise plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easy. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with Cope offerings, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. On my second channel, Miss Hentai Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage owner. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.